Sa
tunnel.
isang loko,
Isa mo tunnel, papasok tayo sa tunnel.
tunnel.
Sheesh. Dati nga nung unang ano ko dito, sabi ko, ito na yung pinakamahaba. Ba't parang di naman siya mahaba? Ano na? Excited ka na, Isham? Isham? Where are you, Isham? Isabela? Saan ka pupunta, Isabela? Saan? Sasu? Sasu, tas umuulan? Magkapote na lang tayo. Ay, kayo pala. Payong, no? Putik. Hello po. Good morning po. Ay, dyan ticket. Ano?
Entrance po natin for your first attraction is the big park. Dito po sa loob namin. Tapos may show kami ng 10:30 namin. Picture mo na. Picture mo na tayo. Dad mo.
Ano daw to?
Bird do, Ellie. Oh, dami bird, Ellie.
Gini? Ano yung gini, no, Dad? Ginia. Ginia? Gini yan eh.
Ah, ito, Dad. Iba to.
Oh, Daddy!
Iba to.
Daddy!
Sari manok.
Oh, no,
Ah,
Daddy.
native yan.
Dad.
Ito, Dad. Ito, Dad. Dad. Ano to? Parot?
Hello.
Pangit.
Hindi ba yan yun, Dad?
Pangit.
Hindi yan yun, Dad. Ano? Pangit. Para siyang peacock. Ay, peacock. Tama.
Tita.
Diba, Dad? Yung peacock yung gumaganon yung ano.
Hi, Tita.
Anong peacock?
Tita?
Oo, peacock. Buti may ganyan pala kayo, ano.
Galing nun, no? Ano yan?
Diyan. Piro ba yan?
Lilipat ko lang sa kaliwa yung kurilo ko. Hindi naman yung nagre-record. Nagre-record ba? Oo. Ah, nagre-record pala.
Kakagat ng kanin. Huwag tayo
Ano daw yun? Parrot. Parrot. Oh, mami, ito yung parrot. Ano yung parrot? Oh.
Yan.
Ano yan?
Turtle.
Turtle, hi.
Ay, nanungangati ka. Hala, dat pala may ano. Nilagyan ko ng oak. Ay, may lamok nga.
Say hi, Turtle.
Dapat pinag-punch mo.
Tapos biglang tumalun.
Say hi, Turtle.
Isa lang.
Those are turtles. Why so slow? What's a turtle?
Pangit. Uy. Nigo! Nigo. Look.
Pangit. Sino nagsabi ng pangit?
Hey! Hey!
Parang manok lang din.
Ay, mga mukha nila maga.
Nasa puro bird section pa lang tayo.
Ah, okay. Nasa bed pa lang. Pero dalian natin. Gusto ko malaki mga eagle. Philippine
Maliit pa
serpent
yan.
eagle.
Serpent lang yan.
Dad, peram na lang ako ng phone mo. Yan na
Bakit?
yung pang picture ko.
Oh.
Para hindi ka na nahihirapan. Ito yung pang picture ah. Official photos. Ganun. Nangangaga. Hello. Hello, so cute. Hello, Butchukeko. Para si baby. Ay, isang picture kita niyan. Dali, picture kita. Ay, malapit ah. Isang, dali, picture kita. Doon ka. Okay, o igoy. 1, 2, 3.
Ninay naman!
Ano yan?
What is
Dito
that?
tayo, Dad. Dito
It's
tayo.
Ayan! No, I know! It's it! Look! That is...
Kaya may mga...
Ostrich oh. Nigo. Ostrich. It's a ostrich. Wow. Hi. It's an ostrich.
Talikod ka lang, hindi ka abot niyan. Okay, ma. Okay, ma.
Dito lang kayo isang.
Napicture naman na sila.
Dito naman, deer.
Tataabot ka dyan. Ito, dear, dear. Dito, picture din kayo dyan. Picture din kayo dyan. Picture din kayo dyan.
Oh, ang galing oh.
Ganda ng mata. Picture na, Igoy.
Deer. Tingin ka deer.
1, 2, Daddy, Daddy. 1, 2, 3. Uy! Siya na, ayaw tumingin. Oh, dali, dali, dali.
Ay, hindi pala yung...
Oh, odi, odi. 1, 2, 3.
Diba tumingin?
Ano yan?
Deer.
Deer din. Maliliit pa.
Tulala siya, oh.
Malapit na, beer month na eh. Tatrabaho na yan.
Hala, hala, hala. Ay, donkey, baby, donkey. Hala, hala.
It's a donkey.
Nakakisiya? Let's go here. Lucky.
Hilig nila yung mga valuable.
Ano yan? Magtama.
Dito ka isang.
Isabella, dito ka daw.
Doon ka, tingin ka doon. Hi ka sa monkey.
Oh, hi ka sa monkey, baby.
Hi!
Oh, dali. Picture kayo dyan. Picture, picture, dali. Picture with the monkey. Dali, igoy. Igoy.
Ma, bakit ako sa monkey
Oh, dali, igoy.
Bakit
Picture
siya pa yung
tayo.
monkey to
Dito,
yan?
igoy, igoy. Isang,
Sure.
isang. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hindi gumayos ka naman. Ay.
Ay, ano yan? Raccoon? Raccoon. Oh, ang galing oh.
Raccoon ba yan?
Oh.
Dad,
Monkey di Luffy yun.
Bear
no raccoon na Luffy.
Ha? Bearcat? Parang ang bango.
Hindi eh. Ano ba? Dito ba yun?
Yan, galing niya oh. Libot-libot siya. Hindi siya mapakali.
Hi!
Ay, isa ka. Ang yan.
Mga bear cat na.
Ito lang. Bearcat nga ang tawag sa kanya.
Lucky tails naman. I love your lucky tails.
Ayun, di ba?
Unggoy.
Oh, tiger! Mama!
cheetah.
O, tawag mo, tawag mo.
Sundo naman, hindi ko alam kung cheetah or ano.
Hindi yan tiger, babe. Kita nga ata, babe.
Ay, parang buntis pa nga tayo isa eh. Pero dito ako sa Unggoy.
Dali, picture ko kayo.
Unggoy!
Ay, dali, picture ko kayo dyan. Dyan kayo, dyan kayo. Igoy.
Yay!
The Luffy.
Ay!
Monkey the Luffy.
Lo! Atapang at amang
Monkey the Luffy.
Hindi siya matapang na tao. Tapang ang monkey siya.
At apang.
Monkey the Luffy.
Dali, dali. O, picture kayo dyan. Dali, dali. Paano yun? Paano yun? O, dali, game. 1, 2, 3. Dito, dito. 1, 2, 3.
What's that?
Jaguar pala, jaguar.
Jaguar.
Ano yung pusa, dad?
Wow.
Ibubuyog. Ibubuyog.
Dito na kayo, kids, kids. Ay, ako na. Okay, let's go. Mamaya na, may di naman. Dyan lang banda. O, dyan lang. O, dali, o, dali. Game. Dito ka usog kayo, Igor. Game, 1, 2, 3.
Sakto ah.
Sakto parang kinat dun talaga sa leeg niya, eh, oh. Cattle. Ah, cattle. Ay, ang cute ng ano, dad, ng buhok. Parang siyang sa dog. Parang sa dog.
Sarap niyan. Pang ano,
Isang picture kita dito.
pang nilaga.
Me. Tell me your... Ay, bakit mo? Tubig.
Laki yan. Yan po. Tulog.
Kaso kakulay na nila yung lupa. Wala na silang tubig.
Yan pa isa. Video. It's an.
Ano yan, Isam? Tiger? Ano? Nalilito ako sa tiger at saka sa lion.
Meron pa dyan sa taas kanina yun.
Ayun, mas malaki na.
La. La.
Hello.
Hey, tiger. Me? Kita na kayo ng tiger in real life. Diyan jawa yung katol.
Tiger katol. O, Isam.
Palito itong payo mo.
Sa'yo yan, ano?
Nasaan yun? Nandito? Wala.
Ito, Dodo. Ayun, Dodo. Nasa gilid, do.
Ah, ito.
Ah, igual. O, picture ko kayo sa igual. Okay, Isam. 1, 2, 3. Isang dito din. Hmm? Convert mo muna. Kasi nandito ka naman sa loob.
Sang.
Ay, isang.
Baka gusto yung pa-picture.
Takot yun.
Non-venomous na ako.
Non-venomous. Pero nangangagat. Hindi rin. Ah, ito yan oh.
Picture.
Python. Pearl Burmese.
Igoy. Igoy, 1, 2. O, di, sabi mo kapag-picture ka. Wow! Ito ka,
Pa.
Pakita mo kay Isabela.
Ito baby, ang ganda oh. Nagbalat. Nagtanggal ng balat.
Where?
Ay, tiyan mo. Tuko. Leopard, gecko.
Jacob?
Ayan ito. Wala.
Jacob! Woo! So weird. So weird.
Tulog iguana. Nigo, look.
Look, it's moving.
This one. He.
No?
Look.
Tulog.
Iguana.
What the?
It's a Abelino Burmese spider.
Ipit mo nga sa shirt mo, yung lagi yung ginagawa, hindi kaya yun.
Ayan. Pwede, 800.
Here in Zubik Safari, the happiest place. The first and the only tiger safari in the Philippines. And by the way, my name is Jackie. But before we start the show, please know that some of our animals are still on training. So we will be asking for your cooperation. Please join you with this day of entertainment. Let us present to you some of our wonderful animal friends that showcase Zubik Safari. So sit back, get ready with your cameras, because we are about to make this a memorable morning for all of you. And to start with, please welcome our Aito brothers and sisters as they produce a glimpse of the beauty of their culture. When we talk about the existence of Aitas, history will tell us that long before the Americans came here and converted the Subic Bay forest into their naval facilities, Aitas have already been living here, whose culture has been preserved and handed down from generation to generation. That is why here in Zubik Safari, we highly regard them as the true owners of the Subic Bay Forest. Indeed, this is their ancestral land. Their first dance is called Dragonfly Dance or Sayin. When a dragonflies swarming around, they believe that this indicates the arrival of rainy season. And along with the rainy season comes the planting season. This is also their means of informing the whole tribe about the sudden changes of the weather. Their next dance is monkey dance or sayaw ng Tunggoy. They do believe that monkeys are great hunters in the wild, and there is no other animal who can match the ability of monkeys in terms of hunting and foraging. While the Lady Aita is doing sayaw ng pangangapa or the hand fishing dance. Their third dance is war dance or sayaw ng pagbabayani. Whenever misunderstanding arises in between two tribes, they usually send their young men into the actual battlefield. But before that, they would first perform this ritual dance to us. Alright, since you want more, please welcome my buddy and friends.
pala. Saan pupunta yun?
Ito yan ang POV nila.
Saan na? Wala sa mood.
Nahiya, nahiya. Kasi bagay di naman. Yan na yun. Baka may na yun. Ay! Wow! Babalik yan, babalik. Ayun!
Wala na. Di ba?
Yan, babalik.
Yan na.
Why so fast?
Ang bilis. Ewan ko. Goose. Goose at goose. Wala. Ang bilis. Migo.
Let's go, Almond. Let's put the show on the air.
Mahulog pa.
Ayan pa yung bear cat. Yes!
Come on, make it louder again. Are you ready? Okay, and since you are ready, please welcome my buddy. And here is Harry. Hello there, Harry. By the way, Harry is our pot-bellied pig. They originated from Vietnam and China. And don't you know that pot-bellied pigs are among the top 10 most intelligent animals in the world? Now, Harry is going to show us some obedience behavior. Okay, so that's the set. How about lay down, Harry? Okay, then turn around. There you go. Now we are going to level up the challenge. Harry is going to pass our extra money. And don't you know that Timmy also loves to play basketball? Now Timmy, show them what you got. Okay, so he picks the ball. He's now climbing on the ladder. Come on, Timmy, shoot that ball. You can do it. What a nice dunk shot there, Timmy. Watching you makes us sweat. I think Timmy is now ready for the Olympics. How about a big round applause for Timmy, our African gray parrot. Alright, now personalities. And during the show, I'll be asking volunteers from the audience to assist. So guys, are you ready? Alright, for our first animal creature feature, I need volunteers.
Migo.
volunteer who are wearing
There,
a
go
hat.
there.
I need 2 kid volunteers. Yes, happy morning. What is your name? Jaira. Alright, hello there, Jaira. How about you, Kuya? What is your name? Again? What is his name po? Neil. Alright, hello there, Neil. Alright, Kuya, let's face the audience. Come on.
Kaya ni Eagle.
Alright, now kids, today you are going to pet 1 or 2 of our animal friends. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, how about you, Neil? Ready?
Ready.
Ready, okay, and since you're ready, please do welcome Ella and Red. Alright, hello there. Okay, so kids, we are going to put Ella and Red on your hat. Ella and Red are our female Eclectus parrots. Don't you know that Eclectus parrot has extreme sexual dimorphism? Which means male and female Eclectus parrot is different in color. Male Eclectus parrot has bright green color, while female Eclectus parrot like Ella and Red has bright red color. Amazing, right?
Yes.
Alright? Ate, how does it feel? You have a bird on your head. It feels nice. Wow, thank you so much. How about you? What can you say?
Sabihin ko ikaw.
Speechless. Alright, anyway, how about big round applause for Ella and Red? And of course, my volunteers. Thank you so much. That is for you to check updates about Zubik Safari. Okay, hello, baby. Let's stay here. Okay, hello there. Happy morning. What is your name? Isabel. Am I right? Alright, hello there, Isabel. Now, Isabel, can you please put your palms up like this? Alright, now, Isabel, are you ready? Yes, and since you are ready, please welcome Bella. Where are you, Bella? Okay, there you are. Alright, Isabel. Whatever happens, please do not drop Bella. Just relax, it's okay, it's okay. Bella is very friendly, she's just excited to see you. Come on, put your palms up. Put Isabel, I think your names are coincident. You are Isabella and she is Bella.
Sang.
Go on, you can do it. Or you can just touch it here. You can do it, baby. You can just touch it here. Okay, there you go. So once again, this is Bella, our bearded dragon. They can be found in Australia and can live approximately 30 years in captivity. And don't you know that they are called bearded dragon? It is because of the dull spikes that can be found around their throat. And also their gender is based on chromosomes and environmental temperature. At high temperature, male bearded dragon undergo gender reversal and developed as a female. Interesting, right? Okay, Ate, come on, one more touch. There you go. So, Isabel, how does it feel? It's speechless. Alright, anyway, thank you so much. How about the round applause for Bella and of course to Isabel. Thank you so much, Isabella. Thank you. Alright, you have a token from Zubik Safari. Alright, now this. Alright, kids, you may now give their bottles and then you need to hold them like a baby. Your hands like this.
Gusto pa, monkey?
Okay, just relax. Okay, there you go. So, by the way, on my right, this is Amber, our 2 years old Philippine long-tailed macaque. And on my left, this is Kyle, our 4 months old Philippine long-tailed macaque. They are the subspecies of crab-eating macaque, locally known as maching or, in general term, unggoy. These primates are highly social creatures. They also have very long tail, which is longer than their height from their head to their rump. Are planting today that will serve as their home for tomorrow. Alright, sir, what can you say about almond?
Yes, good.
Good. Alright, thank you so much. How about a big round applause for almond? And of course, to my brave volunteer. Thank you so much, sir.
Takot siya. Ano yung lion? Ay, lion. Wow. Grabe. Grabe yun. Ang laki.
Isang rar nga dyan. Isang rar nga.
Grabe yun. Yan na, magpapakain na mami. Sino papakainin?
Ano pinagabil sa inyo, ma'am?
Daddy ko na lang magpakain.
Sige po, order lang ng proper moment ha. Yes, sir. Gusto mo ng chicken? Dito? Yes, sir. Gusto mo ng chicken sa Boots and Grills.
Rar! Sa kanya lang or sa iba din? Ayun. O ikaw, Udi. Ikaw naman, Udi.
Odi.
Try mo inigo, you want?
No! Ayoko mo!
Ah, sige, sige, sige. O, sige, ayaw. Ako na dad yung isa. Ako yung last.
Mali pa yung gawa ko.
Last.
Last. Kanino?
Ayun, kahit na nakajigong na lang.
Laki mo eh. Yung tong lang ipapasok ko.
Yung chicken, ma'am. Bigyan mo yung chicken sa kanya. Yan. Okay. Salamat po.
Thank you. O, picture tayo, picture.
Ano, ma'am, may mga nakabibig na.
Ah, meron
Sige,
tayo.
picture mo na kayo, ma'am. Para ako.
Ay, hindi sige.
Ako malapit na lang.
Ano, selfie?
Balik na lang. Ah, doon na. Ah, sad.
Cutie, cutie.
Ah, ito liit lang, no? Dami.
Do not extend your hand.
Mm-mm.
Ito yung bed niya.
Baby. Pang rar. Pang rar. Dali na, please. For content.
Don't be.
Yun na.
Picture mo kami, Daddy.
Yun na. Ay, ano to?
Tunay na ang
Ano yung mga namatay tapos pre-serve?
Ito, mga ano yan. Beaver. Raccoon. That. Kambing. Nge. Ayun yung may naman. Hindi, ba't walang ito eh? Small lang kasi. Pero wala akong ito
Parang,
Hindi picture mo.
hindi.
Dapat yung picture mo.
Mahirap duel eh. Kaya nga dapat dito kung gusto mo yung picture dito.
I-picture lang kita. Okay. Okay lang. Okay. I-picture mo kayo. That gumawa din tayo here. Team building.
Kids, are you excited?
Po, so welcome here at the Tiger Safari Ride. So dito po we're opening the tiger feeding. That's only 250 pesos. So dahil dalawang grupo po tayo sa isang jeep, tag 125 each group po kayo. So yung gagamitin po natin bait para lumapit po yung tiger. So in terms of feeding po, hindi po tayo magpapakain. So may kasama po kayo staff which is our professional feeder na magjo-join po sa ride po ninyo. Okay? For your group po, willing to avail po ba?
Dito ka.
Isang usad ka dito para kasya kayo.
Nakasama po kayo? Run po. Thumbs up po.
Bye-bye.
Tiger pose.
Are you excited?
Thank you po.
Hindi ka kasali. Are you excited? Ayan na. Sheesh. Ah. Go. Sabit, tingin doon.
Snow White and Siling. Siling Ling.
Oh.
Siya pa pasok na po na konti ha. Siling.
Ah.
Hindi ka nang buwan. Ah, Siling. Snow
Oh.
White. Si Snow White. Si Snow White. Ano? Ling. Ah. Second go po. Pinapakain niyo. Okay, third go po. Ning. Snow White. Okay, pasok na po ha.
Lalaki, no?
Alright.
Sira ko lang kay Ma'am Sir.
Ang likot na ito, ang isa, oh.
Jack. Blackjack. Okay, sir. Pass na po ha. Jack.
Oh no.
Oh, grabe yung hininga niya, no?
Jack.
Hindi magja-jump.
Ay, hindi. Binahon niya, eh. Binahon niya.
Jack. Malapit mo yan. Stop.
Ganun pa, ah.
Stop.
Nabusog na.
Jack ah. Jump. Jack.
May plat mo siyang andisa na.
Wala pa sa kawan eh.
Okay na, sir.
Okay na, ayaw na niya, ayaw.
Bye. Maging isang lalaki, dalawang babae. Dalawa ka na babae.
Kukuloko naman muna tayo. Let's go. Be careful.
Hindi pala siya ko.
Baka may Jurassic. Saan yung ano? Ayun oh, crocodile. Sheesh. Si Lunglong. Ano?
Nigo. Ayun, crocodile view.
Yan yung Crocs. Oh.
Nigo, wait lang. Nigo, no. Tignan mo, tulog siya. O, gising yan. Tulog.
Tingnan mo, open your eyes.
Maliit pa lang yan, no? Oo, maliit pa lang yan. Si Lulong, di ba dad yung laki, no? Di ba? Tara na daw, isa.
Wait. Yara, tapos.
Don't give it yet. Yan, tigam-tigam mo papakainin niya.
Huwag mo ako idamay.
Papatak namin mo sila, no, dad, no? Sandaan na yun, isang
Papi, may crocodile picture din po.
Ha?
Yung po ako matapang baby crocodile picture.
no, tingnan mo, nag-aabang sila, dad. Tingnan mo, isa nakanganga pa, dad, oh. Picture kayo.
Ang dami yung selfie.
Tapos na namin! Are you happy, kids?
Yeah.
Anong pinaka nagustuhan mo, Igoy?
Isa.
Ano yung pinaka nagustuhan mo?
Isa one
Na
Beko.
Jeko?
Yung hinawakan niya yung Jeko. Galing ni Isa. Very good.
I want the bunny one.
Yung bunny.
Ay,
Ay,
Headshot na
tatrail.
Thank you for watching.
Sabi mo, bye-bye.